Hi everyone, I'm Mangal Yadav, and today I want to share something that can completely transform the way you speak English. English fluency means speaking easily and automatically. You are fluent when your speech feels effortless, when the words come out from your mouth without translation and without hesitation. Some people call this thinking in English, but believe me, true fluency is even faster than that. You don't think about grammar rules or sentence structure. You just speak naturally, just like you do in your native language. That is what I call automatic English. When you reach this level, you don't worry about mistakes, you don't search for words, you simply express yourself freely, confidently, and automatically. Because automatic English is the key to real results. When you speak automatically, you can easily connect with native speakers. You can make friends from different countries of all around the world. Participate confidently in business meetings, talk to customers, understand English movies, and open doors to better career opportunity. In short, automatic English helps you communicate effortlessly and live the life of your dream. My name is Mangal Yadav, and I created a powerful English teaching system after teaching many years of all around the country. During these years, I had trained business professionals, entrepreneurs, teachers, graduate students, and government employees. These learners were intelligent and hardworking, but they all had one common problem. They could read and understand English, but when it comes to speak, they couldn't speak it fluently. They felt shy, they hesitated, and they translated every sentence in their head first before speaking. But once they started using my effortless English system, everything changed. They started speaking naturally and automatically. They built confidence, and many of them achieved the great success in their personal and professional life. You can improve your English speaking 2 to 5 times faster than with traditional grammar based classes. In just 6 months, you will notice a dramatic change. Your speaking becomes faster and smoother. Your grammar improves naturally without memorizing rules. Your pronunciation becomes clear without focusing on pronunciation. You start to think and respond in English automatically, believing you won't study English anymore. You will start to live it. Most English classes waste time on grammar books, writing exercises, and memorization. But my system focuses only on speaking and listening because those are the real skills that make you fluent. Each part of the system is connected and designed to build your English power step by step. When you use all parts of together, it creates a strong and natural English foundation in your brain. This is not just another course. Believe me, it's a complete transformation system that changes the way you learn and you speak English. When you follow the system exactly as I teach you, you simply cannot fail because this system is tested, proven, and trusted by thousands of successful learners. You will experience the greatest English speaking improvement of your life. You will speak confidently in front of people. You will feel proud of yourself and you will finally become the speaker you have always dreamed of becoming. So, my message is very simple to you. If you truly want to speak English easily, automatically, and confidently, then join me and follow the system step by step. Don't just study English, live English. Don't just dream about fluency, just create it. This is Mangal Yadav, and I am here to help you become a confident English speaker. Your effortless English journey begins now. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will find yourself speak English confidently after 6 months. Thank you.